Can you have a better brake feel with smoother modulation and faster responding ABS system and traction control? My name's Eben. Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. We're talking about another high quality product that's made by AMSOIL. This right here is AMSOIL DOT 3 and DOT 4 brake fluid. It meets both specifications. This can be used in the brake fluid and a clutch if you have a manual vehicle. What makes it different is it's 100% synthetic, so that's going to keep its film strength longer. It's not going to compress under heat and boil as easily. So for instance, the specs are all right here. This boils about 30 degrees hotter than the DOT 4 specification. And so what that's going to do is under extreme braking conditions, when you have this load and heat going into the caliper, instead of this fluid starting to boil and start to bubble, which there's moisture in all brake fluid, it's already in there no matter what, that is going to make a huge difference in the traction control and stability of your vehicle. I recommend changing brake fluid every 1 year or 30,000 miles, whichever comes first, for the absolute best performance of your vehicle. I want you to order this product right now at syntheticoilprotection.net. That'll allow me to be your independent AMSOIL dealer, Eben, and that way we can come back and talk to you about a lot more products that'll get you to perform way better, and in some cases getting your vehicle to run way better than brand new. Definitely check out this product right here.